Hello and welcome to a new video of Penpot. This is one of those videos that we love to do because we are really proud to introduce you to the new beta versions 1.13. It's been a long time since last release, we know that, but we've been working on core improvements and performance, and we have a bunch of features to show you. Also, we are doing a lot of testing, but anyway, thank you so much to the community for your feedback, your book reporting, your translations. Your collaboration is more than welcome. We love you guys. So, enough talking and let's go with the feature review. Okay, so let's start with multiple sports. So, as you can see, I have here our famous app design, Applan's app design. So now you can click and select multiple artboards and go to export. You can set the PNG or the format of the output and click, and you will get this new model. This is important because you can speed your workflows exporting multiple elements simultaneously. Use this window, this export window, to manage your multiple exporting. You can select and deselect elements, click on export that. If you change parameters here, they will reflect on the exporting, for example, like that. As you can see, the format changes. Really helpful in order to be informed about the download process, etc. Big exports will happen in the background, so you can continue designing in the meantime. Okay, so let's continue with multiple fills and strokes. Now you can add multiple fills, colors, and stroke colors to a single element, including the shapes and the text. This opens endless graphic design possibilities, such as combining, gradients and blending modes in the same element to create visual effects. So as you can see here, we have beautiful example of multiple strokes, but we are going to do a new one. It's really easy. Create a shape. I'm going to, for example, this one. Well, beautiful, and then you can click on the plus button to add a new field, and I'm going to click and add like a spotlight. Yep. Okay, so a new feature is the new members area redesign. Penpot is meant for teams. That's why we decide to give some love to the members area, a refresh interface, and two new features. Okay, the invitation section where you can check the state of the team invitations and the ability to invite multiple members at the same time. So this is the brand new design. You can see all the users, the members of your team easily, and you can change the roles and remove members, etc. And the new invitations area is here. The new section where you can see the state of the invitations you did. So I invite a member with a role editor and the status, the invitation expired. So the last feature we are going to review is the focus mode, our brand new focus mode. You can select the elements of the page you want to work with in a specific moment, hiding the rest of the elements so they don't get in the way of our attention, or to be more focused on your work. It's easy to activate and deactivate. You only have to click the element you want to focus on and press F key, and the rest of the elements were hidden, and you can work on that. If you want to go back, only have to click here or press F again, and the rest of the elements are here again. So this option is also useful to improve the performance in cases, you know, when the page has a large number of elements. Okay,